2018 Freightliner Cascadia. We end up installing the alarm system with the remote start. You can remote start it anywhere in the world. You don't need a hotspot inside your car. The unit hooks up to the server, tells you the voltage of the battery, the temperature inside the vehicle, the truck. Our logo, company logo, the picture of the truck. You're gonna hit lock. Okay. And that arms the system, the alarm. If somebody opens the door, it's gonna set off the alarm. Also sends them a text message, and in the text message it lets the customer know that the alarm was triggered by door opening. And then the other one will be the text message will come in if it's impact, shock sensor. It will say severe impact. But if it's door opening, you're gonna get one that says door opening. To remote start the truck, you'll hold this button here until it completes the circle. Okay, and that will crank the truck up. Turns on I programmed the firmware and everything, so it turns on the ignition. The truck goes through all the proper cycling that needs to go, and now it's gonna hit the crank and it will start. Once it starts, it's gonna tell you the run time at the top, how long it's running. By the way, if somebody opens the door while you leave it at a truck stop, and somebody opens the door, the unit will shut off. That way they don't take off with your truck. Okay, because these trucks are not like a vehicle that to shut it off is down here. Okay, GPS gives you the map. You can also tap it here and it will give you the GPS as well. It also comes with two fobs, comes with two remotes. The other one he already put it inside the house. This will arm the alarm, disarm the alarm, and if you press this twice it will remote start the truck. We already did that, we're not going to do it again. And so this thing got shock sensor. If somebody opens the door, it fires off. GPS, you can remote start the truck from anywhere in the world through your phone. You don't have to be next to the truck at all. You can be in another country as long as the truck is inside the United States, Puerto Rico, or Canada. Those are the three places that it will work. Anybody out of state, don't worry, give us a call. We have the DIY kits. We can, it's all prepped up, programmed, ready to go. And then we'll sell you the kit, and then you can do the installation yourself. Okay, and that's how it goes. You give us a call, and you can place an order with us. We'll ship you the kit. Everything is prepped up, and that nice cloth tape program. You only hook up 6 wires. We'll provide you with the installation video. We never had anybody who wasn't able to complete the installation. We do give out great tech support over the phone, and we can always FaceTime you if you have an iPhone. Otherwise, you can text us pictures and we can put you on speaker and go over what you need to do. I mean, we never had anybody with too much difficulty. We had some phone calls here and there with people that wanted to confirm something. But basically, over the years, we filmed on every truck. We always film like 3 installation videos per truck. Peterbilt, Freightliner, Volvo, Cascadia, International. And the list goes on. We film and we give you multiple videos, you know, doing the same thing, but maybe going over a few things. We try to update the video on questions that we get so we can clarify something that they got missed in the first video. But like I say, I make the videos for dummies, so don't feel bad. You know, I know this is not your line of work. As long as you got a couple tools here and there and you're mechanically inclined a little bit, you're not going to have an issue. And you follow directions, you're not going to have an issue. Our number is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist, and we're here in Miami.